Hello guys, how to fix Wi-Fi not showing in settings in Windows 11 and Windows 10. And the first workaround is change WLAN settings. Right click on a start button, choose run and type services.msc and press OK to open services windows in Windows 11 and Windows 10. Here find out the option WLAN auto configuration. Right click on it, choose its properties and click on start if it is stop mode, and click choose automatic under a startup type. Finally click on apply and OK button. And the second workaround is update network adapter driver. Go to Windows search, type device manager, open device manager and go to the network adapter section, expand it and right click on your network adapter driver and choose update driver. Here choose second option, browse my computer first, and click on let me pick from a list of driver. Click on next and Windows will now detecting drivers and install them according. The third one is change network adapter driver settings. Right click on a start button, choose device manager and right click on your network adapter driver and select properties. Go to the power management section and uncheck the box against allow the computer section and click OK. And the fourth one is enable system configuration settings. Go to Windows search, type system configuration, open system configuration and go to the services tab and check all the boxes of services and finally click on enable all button. Finally click on apply and then OK to save the changes. Here choose as per your choice, either restart or exit without start. That's all.